How to delete the Instagram call history. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to delete the Instagram call history for a particular conversation, here is the steps that you can follow. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store to make sure that you have updated Instagram to its latest version. Once you have searched for Instagram on Play Store, make sure to tap on Update button. If it's not available, you can directly open the application and log in. After that, go to the Messages section and select the one you want to delete the call history from. After that, you'll have to tap on the person's name or profile picture, which is at the top left corner of the chat. From the options, select on Privacy and Safety and tap on Restrict to modify the conversation settings temporarily. After that, once that is done, head over to the previous page and tap on Compose button, which is available at the top right corner. Then after, search for the conversation by typing the person's name and select it from the results. In the chat window, tap on Delete to remove the call history associated with that conversation. After deleting the call history, you can unrestrict the person and resume normal interactions. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.